Welcome back to Back Road Bikes. It's a wonderful day here in Western Kentucky, and I have another bike check for you. This is my 1997 GT Tequesta. This is the bike that Amazon built. I picked this up from a buddy for $25 and went through and made it pretty much like a Franken bike. Kind of a just whatever, adventure bike, I guess. It's pretty much ready for whatever I want to do. A few things that I've added are a riser stem, the trekking or butterfly handlebars, which are awesome. Get a lot of hand placement with those. A trekking seat. This saddle is probably one of the best saddles I've ever had. An Ibera rack with Ibera bag, which is quick attach, along with the Ibera tackle bag, which is also quick release. A set of Schwalbe CX comp tires, 26 by 2.0. Frame bag. And that's about it. So for anybody that's wanting a good overall do whatever you want to do kind of bike, gravel, bike pass, smooth single track, buy an old 26er, make it your own, put whatever you want on it to make it suit yourself. I'm a big fan of 26-inch bikes, and I think that for the money that you can pick one up for, it's ridiculous not to have one in your arsenal. I understand 27.5s and 700Cs are really the industry standard now, but you just can't go wrong with a good old 26-inch mountain bike. I think overall, with the cost of the bike and everything I have on it, I'm still in this bike for under $200, and that's really impressive because it just does everything. It does it well. I was able to do a 36-mile ride on this bike with my family in relative comfort, and it performed flawlessly. I carried a lot of stuff in here. I got an extra tube. I have first aid kit, bike pump, extra under seat bag for some reason, tube, first aid kit. So if you're in the market for a bike, do yourself a favor and at least think about maybe picking up an old 26er out of somebody's garage, fixing her up, and you're not going to be disappointed. It's going to be fantastic. I can't say enough good things about this bike. I'm so glad that I purchased it and that I've set it up the way I like to ride it. I'm over the moon with how this bike turned out. And I have several bikes, but this one's still probably my absolute favorite. So, like I said, don't give up on 26ers just because they are kind of older technology. They still make excellent bicycles. You can do whatever you want to with them. But once again, thanks guys, and I'll be back with some more stuff, I'm sure,